I've gained access to Claude for absolutely free, and I can now use the Fable 5 model at no cost. Take a look. I've pasted a prompt for a modern portfolio website and sent it. As you can see, it generated a professional, clean, and attractive website. From animations to font styling, you can create entire themes using the latest Claude model, Fable 5. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get this access for free, so stay tuned until the end. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for GitLab. Navigate to the first result, gitlab.com. Once the page loads, click the Try for Free button. You'll be asked to provide some information. Enter your first name, last name, a username, and a company email. Your personal email works fine too. Next, create a strong password, agree to the terms, and hit Continue. You can save your password for later. Now, you'll need a verification code. Check your Gmail for an email from GitLab, copy the code, and paste it back on the GitLab site. Click Verify Email Address to proceed. Once verified, fill out the profile details. Select your role, specify who will be using GitLab and why, and choose your country and state. Enter a company name, group name, and project name, then click Continue to GitLab. From the dashboard, click Start a free trial for GitLab Duo. You'll need to re-enter your company name, country, and state. The phone number is optional. Click Activate My Trial. You'll now see that your subscription is active as an ultimate trial. Open the GitLab Duo chat, expand it to full screen, and click on the model selection dropdown. You'll see several models available, including Claude Sonnet and Claude Opus. Most importantly, Claude Fable 5 is there for free. Select it and enter your prompt. For this example, I'm requesting a modern portfolio website. After the code is generated, simply copy it. I've already created a portfolio folder and opened it in VS Code. Create the files index.html, style.css, and script.js, exactly as named in the chat output, and paste the corresponding code into each. Finally, click Go Live to see the result. Our website is successfully launched. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.